Hello, everyone, and welcome to Connect News. My name is Minerva, and these are today's top news.
5 people, including children, were killed in separate accidents during a heavy downpour in areas in and around Lahore on Friday. According to the Pakistan Meteorological Department, the most rain was recorded in the Lakshmi Chowk area at 161 millimetres. Several areas across the Lahore city were flooded with rainwater. However, the water was cleared in most of the city soon after it stopped pouring, except for the low-lying spots where the streets and roads remained inundated. The Lahore Deputy Commissioner came out with long boots on and monitored the situation in the city. Over 100 Lahore Electric Supply Company feeders were tripped during the rain. The heavy rains resulted in the collapse of a house's roof in Kana, which left 3 children dead. In addition to this, another person was killed due to a lightning strike in Kasar, while a man was electrocuted to death in Okara. Meanwhile, 6 animals were also killed due to electrocution and lightning strikes in Sherakot, Manga Mandi. Cars parked in the streets of Sector F11 and Margala Town, areas of Islamabad, floated in the rainwater after heavy rains in the city. Similar scenes unfolded in Rawalpindi, where the water level exceeded 15 feet in Lainalla near Gawal Mandi. Rainwater collected in various areas across the city after up to 77 millimeter rain in the city 2 days ago stood still on some roads on Friday. Earlier in the day, the Meteorological Department had predicted light rain with thunderstorms in the city over the next 24 hours. The Weather Department said that the city will likely experience a partly overcast condition over the next 24 hours, adding that the temperature may range from a minimum 26.5 degrees Celsius to a maximum of 32 to 34 degrees Celsius.
Thank you to all the deaf and hearing people around the world for connecting with us. If you enjoy the video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.